Hello and welcome to EduSpark Global. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve this simple titration question. The question says a 25 ml sample of a 0.200 m HCl is neutralized by NaOH. What volume of 0.100 m sodium hydroxide is needed? And these are the options. You can pause and give this a try and then continue watching to see what the correct answer is. HCl is the acid and sodium hydroxide is the base. When these two combine, the reaction is called neutralization reaction. So we have HCl plus sodium hydroxide. Now, this also is a double replacement reaction. And to get the product, we're going to use the double replacement method. Okay, neutralization is a type of double replacement. So hydrogen is going to replace sodium, and then the sodium will replace hydrogen, which means that the Na will then combine with Cl. That's what we mean by replacing. And when sodium and Cl combine, they give you sodium chloride, NaCl. Plus, the hydrogen combines with OH to give HOH, which is the same thing as H2O. So after writing this equation, the next thing we do is to balance the equation. And if we check the two sides of the equation, we would notice that they have the same number of atoms. So in that case, we conclude that this is balanced. The simplest way to solve this question is to check the ratio between HCl and sodium hydroxide, and we can see that they are 1:1 ratio. So when your acid and base are in 1:1 ratio, the best equation to use is the MaVa or CaVa equals MbVb or CbVb. So we're going to be using the CaVa equals CbVb. The Ca is known as the concentration of the acid. Ma is molarity of the acid, which is the same as concentration. Then volume of the acid, Va. Cb, concentration of the base, or Mb, molarity of the base, where the Vb is the volume of the base. So if you have more than 1:1 ratio, it is important that we add over Na and over Mb on the right-hand side. The reason is your acid and base is not always 1:1. Sometimes you have some other number in front of the acid or in front of the base. So this formula becomes important. So when it is more than 1:1 ratio, make use of CaVa over Na equals CbVb over Mb, where Na is the coefficient of the acid and Mb is the coefficient of the base. Since for this equation it is 1:1, we don't need to use the Na-Mb. So now I'm going to go ahead and substitute our values. So the acid concentration is 0.200 molar and the volume of the acid is 25 ml. Equals the concentration of the base is 0.100 molar and the volume of the base is what we're trying to find. So Vb is unknown. You can as well just add the NaOH in place of the B since you already know what the base is. Now, to find the volume of the base, divide its two sides by 0.100 molar in order to isolate the V. Okay? So the 0.100 molars we cancel out, and then VNaOH would then simply be 0.0200 times 25 divided by 0.100 molar, which gives us 50 ml. Okay? The molars we cancel, so what is remaining as the unit is ml. So the correct answer is 50 ml, which is option C. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us for more videos like this.